Good morning, good afternoon, good night. I don't know what time you are watching this video, but I have what I need to show to the student how to solve the quadratic equation very, very fast. I named this way, this method, the faster method, to solve any quadratic equations. I was watching many videos on YouTube, and some teachers need a lot of steps to solve these quadratic equations. I use the perfect square fastest method. I name this, it's the fastest way to find the solution of the quadratic equation. And I start with this first example. It's very simple. You show this to the student, and when they have the practice, they can't find the solution of the quadratic equation. Memory, you cannot write anything. Very fast, very easy. And I'm going to show you how to do this exercise. In this exercise, I use the knowledge about the perfect square, and I introduce in the faster way to find a solution. It's very simple. And I don't want to explain what is the step to use perfect square. I don't want to do this one. I'm going to use the knowledge about the perfect square to find the solutions of this exercise very fast. And you will see what I'm going to do. Pay attention to me. Then the step is, I'm going to write all the steps on the board, but and then again, when you're going to do the exercise, you don't need to follow the steps. You can do this very fast to find a solution. Number one, I select the coefficient of the variable x. And the coefficient of the variable x, I always divide by 2, and it's going to be 2. This is the coefficient of variable 2. Okay? The second step is you move the constant number to another side. It's x squared plus 4x equals 6, and I move to another side 6. Then what do you have to do now? Very easy solution. You write the solution now. 3 is x is equal, the value of this is 2. When you're going to write here, you change the sign of this value. It's positive 2 divided by 2, and you change the sign, it's negative 2. Positive and negative, square root. This number squared is 4 plus 16. And now finally you have the solution. Negative 2 plus and minus square root 10. And this is the solution. Very simple, very fast, and very easy. I don't know what is many teachers complicated to teach this situation. It's very, very easy. Now finally I have two solutions. Negative 2 plus square root 10 and a negative 2 minus square root 10. My two solutions. Okay? Maybe you're asking, well, what happened when the coefficient here is not 1? I'm going to do another example. What do you have to do when the coefficient here is 1? Okay? I'm going to write the board, and I'm going to show you very fast. And after that, when I finish the example, okay, when I finish my example, you will see, you practice with your student. If the student has practiced, they can find the solution very fast without writing anything. Pay attention. I'm going to do another exercise. Suppose that you have this equation. Another equation. This is 3x plus 6x minus 12 equals 0. Then the first step is eliminate 3. Then, because I need, square here. Because I need to eliminate 3 from the coefficient here, I divide everything by 3. I divide all the equation by 3. And when you divide by 3, you have x squared, plus divide by 3 is 2x, and divide is 4x. 4 is equal to 0. And you move 4 to another side, x squared, plus 2x is equal 4. And now you can do it directly to the solution. Directly, what you're going to do is x is equal. Remember, you divide the coefficient by 2. Positive 2 divided by 2 is 1. You change the sign, it's negative 1. Positive and negative square root. And this number to square is 1. Plus this number is 4. And you finish. Now it's negative 1 plus and minus square root 5. And you have the two solutions very fast and very easy. It's not complicated. I don't know what is the reason the student complicated to solve this quadratic equation. If this number is negative here, you use imaginary solution. Another example. I'm going to do another example, a little more complicated, but it is the same thing, the same step. This. You have 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 equals 0. I'm going to write 4 here. I'm going to write here, for example, it's going to be here 3. It's 3. Okay? You divide by 2, no? X squared plus 7 over 2x equal 3 over 2. You divide by 2 and move 3 to another side. You divide by 2 and move it 3. It's negative. When you move it's positive. It's very easy. Now, what do you do? Directly to define the solution. What are you going to do? This is basic. X is equal. 7 over 4 divided by 2 is 7 over 4. No, 7 over 2 divided by 2 is 7 over 4. And you change the sign. Negative 7 over 4. Plus and minus. The square root. This number squared is 49 over 16. Plus 3 over 2. Now you get the square of this plus this one. And now you do this one. 49 plus 49 divided by 16 plus 3 over 2. Now it's 49 over 16 plus 16, 24 here. You multiply by 8 to have the same denominator. And when you add 49 plus 24, 73 divided by 16. Now here the solution is x is equal negative 7 over 4 plus and minus the square root 73 divided the square root 16 is 4. And you have the two solutions. It's very simple. It's very simple. Use the faster method. Faster method is use the combinations of the perfect square and the faster method. I want to name this one. All my students, sometimes I have some students, when I write equations on the board, they give me the answer automatically because they are training to do the solution. Okay? I'm going to do one example when they see imaginary solution. This is x squared plus 3x minus 12 plus 12 equals 0. Find the solution of this one. The same thing. You move x squared, you move 12 to another side, it's negative 12. You move to another side, negative 12. Now, go directly to the solution. This is x is equal 3 divided by 2, positive, you change the sign, it's negative. When it's negative, you change the sign and you write positive, plus and minus the square root. This number to square is 9 over 4 minus 12. And now you say 9 minus 4 minus 12 is going to be 9 minus 48 divided by 4. 9 minus 48 is negative 39 divided by 4. Okay? Now it's going here. Negative 3 over 2, positive and negative, square root 39 divided by the square root I, and you find the solution. It's very simple because it's negative, the solution is imaginary, the square root 39, and the square root of 4 is 2, and this is very simple, very easy to find the solution of any quadratic equation. And I'm going to do one exercise faster, directly. We want to do this, pay attention, directly. Now, another example. I want the student to do it like this. X squared plus ax minus 6 equals 0. Directly, you can train to the student to find the solution directly. You say x is equal. Let me write here name, minus. Negative a divided by 2 is negative 4. You change the sign, is 4. 4 plus and minus square root 6. Because when you move this to another side, it's 6 positive. And now plus 4 squared is 16. Now you have the solution directly. 4 plus and minus square root of 22. And that's it. This is a solution. 2 steps and you find the solution of the quadratic equation. That's very easy. Yes or no? It's very easy. I recommend that you use this. Use this video. You have any recommendation, write on the video, write on the comment, and I help you everybody. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Thank you.